Hello Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana ba nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan? Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tingnan natin ang mga messages ninyo, Aries. Paunang mensahe po ninyo ay 8 of Wands. This is really beautiful. Dahil may mga good news na parating, may mga magagandang balita, no, na parating sa inyo, Aries, and that could be linked to different areas of life. Pwedeng magandang balita about travel, kasi siguro ang iba sa inyo dito may travel plans or inaasikaso nyo na yung mga papeles, travel documents dito, and maybe, you've been waiting for quite a bit na para sa mga travel documents niyo, approval, mga ganon. At ngayon, most likely, may ma-receive na kayong balita or update or resulta, no, ng mga pinoproseso ninyo na link sa inyong pagta-travel. Posible din na ang iba sa inyo dito, may mga in-applyan trabaho, may mga inaasikasong dokumento that is related to your new endeavors, and maybe ma-receive nyo na dito yung magandang balita na yan ay na-approve na, kayo yung natanggap na, kayo yung ma-hire na, mga ganong bagay, no? But yun na bibilis na ang lahat, no? Kasi this is a fast-moving energy, Aries, and most likely ang iba sa inyo medyo siguro may mga pinoprosesong papeles or kahit ano pa man na medyo in the past, medyo siguro nadidelay or natigil yung mga ganon. But now, things are going to change. Things are going to speed up. Things are going to unfold na ngayon ng mas mabilis kaysa sa dati na mga napipending or natigil, yung mga ganon, ano? So what else for Aries? We have Ace of Wands. This is such a beautiful energy as well because this is a new beginning energy. Ibig sabihin nito na meron ngayong sisimulan. You're going to embark on a new beginning. You're going to start fresh in some areas of life that could be linked to your trabaho. Maybe, diba, dito sa 8 of Wands, matanggap na kayo, mabalitaan nyo na hired na kayo. So most likely you're going to start on a new job, you're going to start on a new career path, or travel talaga. You are embarking on a travel dito. So good luck, Aries. We have 9 of Swords. Ayan. So some of you are worrying about something. Some of you are having anxiety, nai-stress, nagigising in the middle of the night at nahihirapan ng makatulog muli kasi nga meron kayong iniisip, malalim ang iniisip. This could be the situation ninyo before, diba? Pero ngayon, blockages will be lifted, delays will be lifted na, kaya most likely matanggal na to na pag-iisip ninyo, na pag-i-stress ninyo over something, na pag-worry ninyo over something. Kasi maaaring talaga nagkaroon kayo ng matagal na paghihintay sa mga papeles or sa mga kung ano man ang inaasikaso ninyo regarding travel, regarding career path, regarding pag-a-apply ng trabaho. Pero ngayon, everything is going to change dahil meron na tayong 8 of Wands, meron tayong Ace of Wands. So, ibig sabihin yan, na kung ano man yung mga delays, ano man ang mga blockages dito na pinoproblema ninyo, that will be lifted na. So matatapos na din kung ano man itong nahihirapan kayong isipin or nahihirapan kayong sa paghihintay, hindi ba? So that is going to change for now. We have the Mother Star. Ayan. So this is a yes, no? Kung meron kayong katanungan just before the reading, or maybe you are asking for confirmation, you're asking for a sign sa divine universe, the answer could be this one, and it is a yes. Siguro may mga iniisip kayo or pinagdadasal kayo na sana bigyan niyo ako, Lord, ng sign. Kung tama nga bang iniisip ko ngayon, tama nga ba yung path na gusto kong tahakin ngayon, tama nga ba ang desisyon na ginawa ko or gagawin ko. Please give me a sign, please give me a confirmation, and this could be it, Aries. The answer is a yes. You are right. You are on the right direction. You're thinking the right thing. So good luck, Aries. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste. Hello, Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin ang mga messages ni Leo for today. We have the Creator. Ayan. So, some of you maybe is expecting a no answer dito. No? Maaaring meron dito kakausapin kayo. Maaari din ang iba sa inyo dito, you are going to say no to someone. Maaring ganun din ang ganap. What else? We have Six of Wands. This is such a gorgeous energy kasi triumph ito. This is a triumph energy. This is a victory energy. Dito sa Six of Wands, very sweet victory ito for you, Leo. Kasi parang ang tagal na nang pinagtatrabahuan, matagal na kayong nagsisikap, matagal na kayong nag-persevere sa kung ano man itong ginagawa ninyo. This could be linked to trabaho, this could be linked to your career or negosyo, no? At ngayon, finally, makakamit nyo na yung tagumpay, tatagumpayan nyo na kung ano yung mga patagal nyo ng pinagsisikapan dito. So, congratulations. You will be on the spotlight at this time. Talagang kayo ngayon, yung parang kayo ngayon yung maghahari, maghahari-harian sa kung ano man ang bagay na to. Kasi parang bonggang-bongga ang performance ninyo dito kung sa trabaho, career, or negosyo nyo yun. Maybe this is the time wherein talagang sumisipa ngayon ang inyong karera, sumisipa ngayon ang inyong negosyo, talagang super successful ang ganap dito ni Leo, no? Kaya this is your hard work paying off at this time. Makikita mo na ngayon yung tagumpay na matagal nyo nang gustong makamit. So we have a yes dito, we have a no doon, we have a yes dito. So this could be two different scenario, no? Two different settings sa buhay ninyo, Leo. This time, for some of you, maaaring yes naman ang kasagutan na matatanggap ninyo, or maybe you are saying a yes to someone, maaaring ganon. Posible din na this is a sign na hinihingi ninyo. Maybe you are praying for something, nabigyan kayo ng sign, bigyan kayo ng gabay on the things na gusto ninyong gawin siguro. This could be about endeavor or plans ninyo na gusto ninyong i-roll out sa ngayon. And this could be the answer sa iyo ng Divine Universe. Maaaring sagot dito sa inyo is a yes, hindi ba? This is a go signal for you na go for it, Leo. You are on the right path. Maaaring ganun ang ganap dyan. We have Four of Wands. And so this is a celebratory energy. Okay? This is a celebration coming up for you, Leo. Maybe talaga you are going to celebrate something dito. Tagumpay ninyo ang isa-celebrate ninyo dito. Posible din na merong tagumpay ang iba. Let's say for example, kapamilya ninyo. Maybe nagtagumpay kayo sa isang bagay, sa isang proyekto. Maybe this is linked to family business, maaaring ganon, or proyekto sa bahay, diba? Na natapos nyo na at napagtagumpayan nyo na, kaya you're going to celebrate that. Posible din na there is engagement party dito. Posible din na meron ditong mga wedding. Maaring ganun ang maging sitwasyon din dito. May wedding celebration for some of you. Kaya this is going to be a beautiful celebration. There is, dito, pagtitipon din. This could be reunion, family reunion. Posible, this could be a reunion with friends. Posible din yan. Kaya, lang ito ngayon, celebration time, no? Kasiyahan, pagpapasalamat sa mga biyaya na natatamo ninyo at this time. So, good luck, Leo. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste. Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. tingnan natin ang mga messages ni Sagittarius. Po na mensahe po ninyo ay Empress energy. This is such a beautiful energy because this is a very nurturing, abundant, and prosperous energy. So this is really beautiful energy in terms of family and relationships at saka money, career, and finances, no? So napakaganda nito dahil this is also an energy of creation. So most likely you are going to start a different thing dito. You're going to start a new endeavor, you're going to start a new job, a new career path, a new business venture. Maaari din na meron ditong iba pang klaseng business opportunity na maghahatid sa inyo dito ng financial success, maghahatid sa inyo eventually ng prosperity and abundance, no? So this is such a beautiful energy. For some of you, maybe you are starting a family. Sa ngayon, maaaring kayo ay magbubuntis, kayo ay manganganak. Kung hindi man, maaaring yung person ninyo ang manganganak or magbubuntis na. So, posibleng ganun din ang ganap dito for some of you. What else? We have Three of Pentacles. Ayan. So, sa kahit anumang ginagawa ninyo ngayon, trabaho man yan, karera, or sa pamilya, may katulong kayo. Meron kayong support. Meron kayong helpful and supportive people around you na talaga namang magsisikap din katulad ng inyong pagsisikap. So, napakaganda nito dahil magtatagumpay kayo, 'di ba? 'Di ba? Kung meron kayong katulong, 'di ba? More than one head, 'di ba? Ang nag-iisip, nagdidiskarte, then mas mabilis ang pagtatagumpay, mas mabilis yung pagkuha ninyo or pag-receive ninyo ng magandang resulta sa kung ano man ang inyong pinagkakaabalahan. So, whether this is trabaho, karera, pamilya, kung nagtutulong-tulong, makakaasa kayo that you are going to succeed. At yun na nga, dito ang mangyayari sa inyo, Sagittarius. You are going to climb the ladder of success dito sa kung anumang area ng buhay ninyo dahil you have a very supportive and you have a very helpful people around you na handang tumulong sa iyo or willing tumulong sa inyo. For others of you, this could be success in your trabaho, in your career, in your business, no? Dahil there could be collaboration dito. There could be offer of help sa inyo dito. Someone maybe is going to collaborate with you sa inyong ginagawa or maybe ikaw yung mag-o-offer ng collaboration. There could be partnerships din dito na magaganap. Maybe a partnership in business, partnership in a project, maaring ganun din ang sitwasyon dyan for some of you. But definitely, kung anumang klaseng partnership ang maganap dito, magtatagumpay kayo. Hindi lang ikaw, kundi yung magiging kapartner mo because you're going to share the same goal dito. You're going to be very supportive of each other dito. Kaya pasasaan ba at kayo ay magtatagumpay. We have Five of Wands. Ayan. So, there could be competition dito. No? At sa competition na yan na kakabilangan ninyo, most likely kayo magtagumpay dito kasi meron tayong success card and maybe with the help of someone dito na makaka-collaborate ninyo, talagang you're going to help each other para mapagtagumpayan ninyo kung ano man yung competition na to. Okay? So, good luck to that, Sagittarius. We have Four of Pentacles energy. Ayan. So, for others of you, this is about money. This is about managing your resources. Ang invitation sa inyo dito, i-manage ninyo ng mas maayos, mas mabuti ang inyong kaperahan, ang inyong money and your finances. Dapat nasa tama lang, kontrolado ninyo ang pasok at paglabas ninyo. Some of you dito nag-lay ng solid foundation ngayon sa inyong financial security and stability, not only for the short term, no, hindi lang pang sa ngayon, hindi lang pang few months, but for the long term ang usapan dito. Talagang siguro ang iba sa inyo nagsisave, ang iba sa inyo dito talagang pinaghahandaan ng inyong financial future, no? Yun ang focus ng iba sa inyo dito. So good luck to that. So, that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.